Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take photos and selfie with S Pen Air Action phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Then go to advanced features and go to S Pen. And make sure that air actions is turned on and click over air action and make sure that press and hold pen button is set to camera. Okay, now use this button. This is pen button. Okay, just press and hold this button in air and camera will be open. If it is in now selfie mode. Okay, if you want to take a selfie, just one press and photo will be taking. Okay, one press this S button and then selfie will be taking. Okay, then if you want to go to back button, you go to double press this button. Okay, and it will change to back camera. Okay, if you again one press, photo will be taking. So in this way you can use air actions of S Pen to take photos and selfies in our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.